Every business that uses accounting software has something called a chart of accounts. Most entrepreneurs have never looked at theirs. Even fewer understand it, and almost none of them have customized it for their specific business. I'm Kiana Garrett, certified bookkeeper, 30 years in the financial services industry, and today I want to change that. Your chart of accounts is the backbone of your entire bookkeeping system. It is the organized list of every category your business uses to track money coming in and money going out, what you own and what you owe. QuickBooks Online gives every new business a default chart of accounts when you set it up. The problem with that, though, that default chart of account was not built for your business. It was built for every business, which means it actually fits none of them perfectly. Here's what I mean. A real estate agent needs income categories that separate buyer side commissions from seller side commissions. They need expense categories for MLS fees, lockbox fees, and showing expenses. The default chart does not have those. A restaurant owner needs income categories that separate food sales from beverage sales from catering revenue. They need cost of goods categories that track food costs and beverage costs separately. The default chart does not have those either. Now, a consultant needs income categories that separate retainer revenue from project based revenue from speaking fees. The default chart, definitely not built for that. So, when your chart of accounts doesn't match your actual business activities, your financial reports are meaningless. Your P&L does not tell you what you actually need to know. Your tax categories are wrong, and every financial decision you make is based on inaccurate information. So here's what a properly customized chart of accounts does for your business. It gives you financial reports that actually reflect how your specific business makes and spends money. It makes tax time faster because every transaction is already categorized correctly throughout the year. It gives your bookkeeper or accountant a clean, organized system to work from. And it gives you, as the business owner, the clarity to actually understand your own financial picture. Your chart of accounts should be built for your business, not for everyone else's. Motivate builds and customizes chart of accounts for real estate professionals, restaurant owners, service providers, and any entrepreneur who is serious about understanding their numbers. The link is in my bio when you're ready to get started, and it connects you with a free 30-minute consultation. Let's build it right. In the meantime, stay motivated.